guys, it's Moz here from Moz651 Models. We're a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. If you're liking what you see, why don't you just click subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on all the new videos we put on the channel. If you've not watched these videos before, basically I try and film these in HD or 1080p, and it's for people who can't really get hold of the catalogue but want to see. You can also see these catalogues online, but to see it page by page is for me is the best way. So what I do is I film it, and to see this in the best quality you need to go to your settings, which is on the cog, click quality, and then pick 1080p or 720, or try and get as high as you can. So there you go, and I film it page by page, and also just put it at full screen because you're able to see it. If there's anything that you like or takes your fancy, just click pause and you can read the whole page on your screen. This is the Italeri 2019 to 2020 catalogue. Enjoy. So that was the Italeri 2020 or 2019 catalogue. I think they do them every 2 years, which is fair enough. Just noticing on the back here, they do have a range of toolings like brushes and their own cement, which I've never seen before. Do not buy the cutters because they're rubbish. These ones here, I've done a review on them and other cutters in a video which I'll link to there. I'll put it there for you. They do their own masking tape, cutting mat, you know, so there's quite a bit in here. Their acrylic sets are quite good. There's a good selection there. I don't really use them, okay, just letting you know, but you can buy them. They have their own sets here as well, and that's basically it. One last thing I just want to put in here is the Leonardo range, something which doesn't need any painting and no gluing, just all slots together. That's something new in their range that looks really, really good. Anyway, so there you are. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell. You'll be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.